Hey guys, I'm vlogging and we're heading towards nothing. Towards, I guess, somewhere. What are we doing looking at down there? Where? Where? Ew. Where, Dad?
Down there in the water. You know how little toads grow up in their little fish like that?
Yeah, but I didn't see them. Daddy, what is that little cave thingy?
See right there? See that?
Yeah.
So one over there and one over there. You see them?
Mm-hmm.
They're swimming, circling around.
Okay,
but Daddy, what is that cave? The thing. It's just the water.
Is that all, Dad? Is that the water pond you were talking about? We've been hiking for already like 15 minutes. And we're nowhere. Just kidding, we're in Hayward. Over here. My dad says there's something special here. Like a magical park, something like that. Look, butterfly. You guys can't see it, but...
Daddy, we're going back to outer space.
Hey, SpongeBob!
We're going back to outer space.
Come on, SpongeBob, run!
One!
We're running. But I've only been vlogging for... We've been running and walking for 15 minutes. But I've been vlogging for only 52 seconds.
What is that noise? Daddy, what is that noise? I heard it again. Is this sand?
Daddy, I hope we get there fast because it's sometimes the minutes that lowers down my space. And I'm already at 2 minutes.
You can do a 3-minute video.
3 minutes?
Each one.
You know what video I'm
But
gonna do? I'm gonna do this with me and the girl.
Wait, so end it at 3?
Keep going. But I mean, if you do 3 videos, you can post them on your Facebook. If you do longer, like 5 minutes or longer, you might not be able to post it.
I want to vlog until we get to the magical place, he said.
Take a lot of different videos. Don't do one long one.